Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is a dual Pentium III 1GHz Windows 2000 server I built some time ago now, and in this video I'll be building a friend for this machine to talk to. I've had this AMD Athlon badged case sitting around for a while now, needing a good clean and waiting to be married to some lovely hardware. And after a nice little clean of the exterior, it comes up looking really nice. As we take a peek inside, it is completely saturated in dust and needs a good clean before placing any hardware in here. And after several baths and some elbow grease, the interior is looking so much cleaner. While I was cleaning, this label decided now is the time to fall off the PSU, and it is dated April 2004. Methinks we shall not be using this PSU, so we'll rip that out a little later. I think I'm going to salvage this little Alaska 80mm amber case fan, as it seems to be a waste to be hidden in here. Right, so to mount our motherboard, I need to locate an appropriate backplate, so I'm just looking through my box of spares, and I think either one of these will work. And we'll go with this one, with the blanked out audio, as our board has no onboard audio. This machine is going to be my own iteration of a dual slot 1 Pentium III Workstation, using the IWILL DBD100 motherboard paired with dual Intel Pentium III 450MHz CPUs and 256MB of PC133 SDRAM. The ASUS AGP-V3400TNT, powered by the NVIDIA RIVA TNT chipset, and featuring 16MB of SDRAM, a 128-bit memory bus, and supporting AGP 1 and 2 speeds, is the card I have selected for processing the graphics. Known for high quality 2D and 3D performance at the time, the card supports DirectX 5 and OpenGL 1.2. The Kuroutoshikou, which I think is how it's pronounced, is a Gigabit Ethernet PCI network interface card featuring the VIA VT6122 controller, and finally for audio, a PCI ASUS Xonar DG. For storage media, I'll be using spinning Rust in the form of a 10.2GB Western Digital Protege drive, and for removable media, an LG DVD drive. Now on with the build, and I do hope you enjoy. Orange is power switch. Blue is reset. Should be reset. And that's going. Reset's going on these two. And we've got a LED, which I assume it's two. I assume a LED is the hard drive. There's a LED and S LED. And last but not least, we have power. Yeah. So power ones are these, look at this one. There. And just to finish off, we'll throw in the speaker. think this machine looks fantastic. What do you guys think? Is there anything you would change? Let me know in the comment section. Let's fire her up then.